Where we at? Detroit City Live. Bo Jackson, the big creature way. What else? Let's get it. Mafia, 227. 2.2 pounds, I had the Louis V to AOV. From the same hometown as Miss Aretha Franklin. But you can't put your strap down or they gon' leave you stankin'. Quick to lay the smack down when niggas need a spanking. 2.2 pounds in blocks, you know we lead the nation. 2.2 pounds, respect, no Aretha Franklin. 2.2 pounds, can't let these niggas leave me stankin'. 2.2 pounds. You know I live for the love of the street. I killed for my brother Jariq. Them quails incoming from Greece. Took off the whole summer, spent a couple months on the beach. My block of fish fry was 10 when I jumped in the grease. Effing in my slim fits up under my fleece. For niggas trying to snatch the ground from right up under my feet. Thanking God for every day he wake me up from my sleep. I could be rotting in a cage, I could be resting in peace. Taking time on my day to spread the love with my peeps. What if my being was Tosh? What if my son was Tariq? What if my missus was Ange and undercover police? What if my right hand was Tommy and it's a gun in my reach? Shit, if it wasn't, I had West to bring one through. Benny rolling with me, so shit, now that's 3 guns drew. Anytime I'm in the jam and can't come up with the right answers, I ask myself what machine gun do. 2-stepping on the blow, I gotta mean 1-2. He rolling with a snitch, that must mean that he 1-2. Hurting some money on my head, but when it's all said and done, I ain't done yet, so just make sure he refund you. We gon' cook your man's beak off after we hunt you. After we hunt you, we gon' cook your man's beak off after we hunt you. Know some hitters from 213 to the 312. Respect it. 2.2 pounds, I had the Louis V to apron. From the same hometown as Miss Aretha Franklin. But you can't put your strap down or they gon' leave you stankin'. Quick to lay the smack down when niggas need a spanking. 2.2 pounds in blocks, you know we lead the nation. 2.2 pounds, respect, no Aretha Franklin. 2.2 pounds, can't let these niggas leave me stankin'. 2.2 pounds, 101 Dalmatians. 2.2 pounds. Block what? Boldy.